Good morning, my dear students in grade 3. How are you today? I hope you are fine.
رؤية المدرسة إعداد فتيات متعلمات مبدعات قادرات على بناء مجتمع واع متحضر محافظة على أخلاقه وقيمه ومستخدمة للتكنولوجيا الحديثة.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
The value is honesty. Now let's read. I like pasta. I like pasta. My favorite food is salad. Let's answer the question. Is there salad? Perfect. Is there any salad? Because we use any in the question. Open your student's book, page 97, and your workbook, page 94. Our lesson today is Module 8, Song Part 1. Objectives of our lesson today is to identify the meaning of 3 words, find the main idea of a song, locate details to answer questions through listening. Let's get started. Now, please bring your notebooks and write down as many words as you can. Where were the children?
Where was I yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday. I was at the amusement park and the shop. I was at the amusement park and the shop. Where were you yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday. You were at the zoo and the park. You were at the zoo and the park. Where was she yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday. She was at the theatre and the swimming pool. She was at the theatre and the swimming pool. Where was he yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday. He was at the school and the library. He was at the school and the library. Where were they yesterday? Yesterday, yesterday. They were at the hospital and the house. They were at the hospital and the house.
Where were you yesterday? I was at school. I was at home. What if there are no parks in the world? We will feel so bored. Cleanliness. How should you keep the places we visit? We should keep them clean. In which school subject do we learn about cleanliness? Integration with Islamic. Do we have many parks here in Qatar? There are many wonderful parks here in Qatar. For example, Spire Park. I like Spire Park very much. What about you? Now let's learn the new words. What can you see? There are many rides. Amusement park. Amusement park. Can we go to amusement parks nowadays? No, we can't because of COVID-19. Swimming pool, swimming pool. In which season do we go to swimming pools? Perfect, in summer, when it's hot. Home, home. Now let's listen to the new words. Listen carefully, please. Listen and repeat.
Module 8. Where were you yesterday? Song 1. Vocabulary. Amusement park. Swimming pool. Home.
Open your workbook, page 94. Let's do this activity. Now let's do this activity. Let's read the words in the blue box. You will label the pictures: restaurant, amusement park, home, swimming pool, school. Let's read. Restaurant, home, swimming pool, amusement park, school. We have finished the first objective. Let's get the main idea of the song. Look at the pictures and guess. What will we need to? Where were you yesterday? We will listen to places he was yesterday. Let's listen and check.
2. Listen and number 1 to 4. Where were you yesterday?
Where were you yesterday? I was out, I was out, I was out all day. Where were you yesterday morning? I was at school, I was at school. All morning I was at school. Where were you yesterday afternoon? I was at the amusement park with my friends Ted and Mark. Where were you yesterday evening? I was at the swimming pool with Ned, my friend from school. Where were you last night? I was at home, I was at home, I was at home with my brother Jerome.
Now, students book page 97. Let's listen again and number the pictures.
2. Listen and number 1 to 4. Where were you yesterday?
Where were you yesterday? I was out, I was out, I was out all day. Where were you yesterday morning? I was at school, I was at school. All morning was at school. Where were you yesterday afternoon? I was at the amusement. Yesterday evening, I was at the swimming pool with Ned, my friend from school. Where were you last night? I was at home, I was at home, I was at home with my brother Jerome.
Now let's listen again to number the pictures.
2. Listen and number 1 to 4. Where were you yesterday?
Where were you yesterday? I was out, I was out, I was out all day. Where were you yesterday morning? I was at school, I was at school. All morning I was at school.
Number 1, at school. D, picture D.
Two.
At school, I was at school. All morning I was at school. Where were you yesterday afternoon? I was at the amusement park with my friends.
Number 2, at the amusement park. Here in picture C.
Ted and Mark, where were you yesterday evening? I was at the swimming pool.
Swimming pool, which picture? Excellent. It's picture B. And where were you last night? I was at home. I was at home. Here is in picture A. Check your answers, please. Now let's answer some questions. Where was he yesterday morning? Let's see. Yesterday morning I was at school, so he was at school. Where was he yesterday afternoon? I was at the amusement park. Afternoon. He was at the amusement park. Where was he yesterday evening? Yesterday evening he was at the swimming pool. And where was he last night? He was at home. Now, where were you yesterday? Please write the answer in your notebox. Thank you and goodbye, my lovely students.